ngeke utakiwe ya drunk fucking stupid Malema you lotho ngale moto uNkulunkulu abanginamoto mina msandi ukuthi ngibusha nginamoto engangibolekela ngalotho leya T9 HSC but ubudlelwane bethu neJC buhle kakhulu futhi siyafisa ukuthi ngelelela ngasiphinde sisebenzisane buhle ngoba phela abukaze ngibone mina kwaqhamuka inja nje le yanikeza imoto inkosi yase Eastern Cape inkosi yase Eastern Cape uDalinjebo yathatha imoto ithe mayiqeda ukuthatha imoto yahamba yayohleka ithe mayiqeda ukuhleka yabuya yathi sahamba nokhongolose kunjalo ke Malema ukusukula iqembeleke namadlozi anamadlozi phela iqembu leli ikhehle umkhulu lo seyithi ukudribule kanjani ungangcobo lethala le moto kuwe ngiyidrivele nje shembe mina uyangiphuca uyozubuya uzoxolisa la kiMalema Julius Silo Malema wehlala amabhado onke nixabene lapho nizwani ubani premier candidate la kwaZulu Natal because you wanted to be me and it's not myself ngithulele tu akaza kwenzeke emboleko lokho lesidudla lesilele umahlulo kushida balolo walapha lo kuthiwa umongezi thwala leyanja leyana into engenamsebenzi walutho wathatha ilist wayise parliament kwi province wayise ku IC na ku national awubafaka ngori ndesibiya balo bedabukisa lapha na uNkulunkulu wami ubagcina kuphela mangcwatshwa emboleko uphinde babone indawo uNkulunkulu wami isono nomagasela yabona wathatha umlungu lona lo wathi laba bacela imali emgwaqeni lokuthiwa lo uKhani house leli khehlelele ongathi laba belungu laba sebadivorce ka10 laba bahlala ezitradini wakuthatha lokho wakugona awuzazi ukuthi ubukwenzani you are an all in one all what I've said it will happen to you it is happening now. Because you are a dictator, you want everything to be about yourself. You are trying to manipulate Ushivambo and to manage the situation, political situations. Utu wena, utata wena, ukhongolose ngapha, utufuna indoma ngabe yini engasiza izwe ukuthi kuphuma ukhongolose kwipower iyokwenzeka. Kuyiqi abantu bakulalela. Ma bese bekulalela abantu usubona ukuthi yonke lento ifisayo izokwenzeka mbombo wenja. Usuka lapho wena uzothi wena amavote uzowaphindisela back ukhongolose uma bezokwenza uShivambo abe minister of finance ukuze uBrian Shivambo no Shivambo no nalompala lo Shivambo deputy president bese kuzoba uwe bese nyontsha akahleke manje ke seningo minister of finance senisokwinini ofa amabhathi ngeke utakiwe ya drunk fucking stupid Malema. You will never lead this country. I've cursed you long time ago because of your attitude and you think you are smart. You started this from the ANC Youth League. You hated us as a Zulu people. But when you go out there, you say the province of KwaZulu-Natal is a deciding province. And while you hate all of us, even the people who were with you in ANC Youth League can witness that you hated Zulu people long time ago. How can you hate giant? How can you hate superior? How can you hate power? How can you hate victorious? We are the victorious people. We are never defeated. We don't fear anything. Without being tribalist, I'm telling you straight away. Are we in again? What booty? How are we in again? What can I go to? Oh, George, obey George. Oh, yeah, George. We are in a car. I want to say, in a car. That's my finger. When a full boy zoku alagim, or they say, Mototo and I pin the footy, who keep in common okay, and I'm a finina or tell how it's full of Natal. I come show yet to Mutos and Talo of Hotel when I'm Kotoi. Never. The Bonga cool challenge to exile. Uguti mina ngijabulele ngokulahla uMalema indaba yokuthi uphindele kwakhongolosa hayi nindaba ye hot water le disease hot water disease oyenzile but ngoba nje you have left devils. I'm happy Hawu. Kushaya umoya shebe kushaya umoya. Angiphuca imoto. Hawu ngeke ngikhohlwe ni. Ay, nawe makahamba kahle bafethu. Muvungula ngisho ngadle inyama. Hey! Ngithi mina umuntu nje waseNatal nowase South Africa who knows the history of this country and who knows the truth about the black skin must never vote AFF. Lento ishow Malema ipowerful ngendlela esimanga ibaleke ngendlela esimanga yokuthi one day fanele sivule ingcele sibe into eyodwa eAfrica, but not now. We have our own problems. We will never allow that stupid endorsement and forcefully to our lives as a result of ukuthi wena ujahe uyalekini uthi uthola ifreedom yokuya kini lapha eZimbabwe. Ngeke ke la usifunze ngalo ndlela. Khohlwa ke mfana wami, khohlwa nje mfana wami, khohlwa nje. Khohlwa. Udote Malema, udote Malema, go down, Malema, go down. Nobody must vote Malema in KwaZulu-Natal. Malema must go down. And then you must feel ashamed when you see the ballot and the red devils. You must never vote a devil called Malema. I'm telling you right now. He is a political devil. He's not a political god. And thank you that our ancestors are keep on proving us right. Stupid! Njalo kulahla umsamo ehle emkhulu. Hamchaza chaza. Sinemsamo thina. Kunjani manje? Ukanye mina. Ngiyaphila khona ngihamba ngeyitimela. Wena, you are stressful. Awusayingishela wini. Dot. Yeya wenyanya man.